Hi guys, my name is Steve. I want you to hit that bell, that subscribe button, and hit that like. And hit the like, I meant. So you can get new videos. And I'm very sorry because I lied to you that we did not have 3 days. But it's okay. We didn't use that. We didn't have to make that plan idea anymore. We just had to make a last chance. And today I want to, but thank you for watching all the Animal Land shows and videos. Because most of them will come soon. And make sure you go to more education stuff to my videos. See you soon. Alright, I'm Hobo Gay. I am Hobo Gay. Tricks, finding out, jump through it. Whoa! Look, sounds like he's sleeping. Let's go talk to him. Let's go talk to him. Let's talk to him. Hey, hi. Wait, who are you? What are you doing to my house? Nice to meet you. I'm here for Christmas. And my name is Hobo Gay. I can jump through Christmas anytime. What's your name? I'm Steve. Whoa, come on, let's go to a nice adventure. Come on, let's go jump through it. But wait, you just got here. So, actually, what do you want from me? I definitely want you is to jump on that window. Whoa. Hobo Gay, we're going too far, Hobo. It's alright. We're jumping out to the North Pole. That's the North Pole. Now we can get through the North Pole. Yeah, that's just who we are. Yeah, get in. Whoa! Absolutely! Whoa. Hobo Gay, you're going too fast. Hey, I got you some diamonds. Wait, did you say diamonds? Well, actually, I always wanted diamonds. Do you have any? Yeah, here. If I gave you those diamonds, you will be able to jump through Christmas out to the North Pole because I broke magic. Magic? Like you need that? Wait, hold on a second. You really mean it? Hey, oh, hi guys. Just hit the subscribe button like I said. Well, oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. You did already. And you hit the like too. That's good. Now you can get new videos until we made these tomorrow after school. Alright. So what do you definitely really want? Because I'm holding this pod so everybody can see me. Wait, let me see. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. See, wait. Why do you have goblin ears? I have goblin ears because you don't know why. Because because I'm made out of magic. And I am a real person, and I'm a real jackal. So, you might maybe believe me so, or how. But, wondering, the kids are watching. Yeah, the kids are watching. You're right, you're true, not false. Yeah. So, here, I'll give you diamonds. Okay, I have to jump through Christmas. Yep, you do. Alright. Whoa! Whoa! Wait, hold on. Whoa! Wow! Come on. Come on. You gotta be better than that. Try again, Steve. You can try. Try again, Steve. Okay. Here. Oh my god. You guys gotta see this. Everybody's already raising fog so much. Whoa. You, man, everybody's raising them wide. Oh man, you gotta be better. Steve, you gotta be better than that. Okay, fine. I'll be better than this. Okay, here. Good job! Now, are you ready for a real adventure to the North Pole? Out to Santa Claus? Wait, are you in the good list or the naughty list? I'm in the good list. I'm Steve, I'm good. Alright, well, let's go. Alright, well, you bet. Now, you see that moon? We gotta get through the moon. And we have to jump through straight on to the North Pole out here. So we gotta get out of here. So, okay, alright. But why do you have goblin? You know there's no such thing as goblin ears. You know that? Don't say that. Don't you even say that. Because out there is people over there. And if somebody says somebody out there falls there dead. So don't you even say it. Okay. So, are you ready? Yeah. Alright. Get set. Go! Whoa! Oh my god! Hobo gay! It's incredible! Wow! Whoa! Hey, I see the actor. Whoa! Whoa! That's where you'll be starting at. Okay, thank you for watching. That was it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. I'm Jeremy. Hit that like and subscribe. I made this video and it's by me. Just hit that like and subscribe so you can get new videos. See you next time.